I am really grateful of this institute who has felicitated me on the a doctor is from a son of a farmers, and my topic today is a tropical cocktail, because everybody is happy with the word of cocktail, and I will make you please what is cocktail. So what Mahatma Gandhi has go to the village and give sincerity, dedication and devotions. Now my research is going around these victims. And to say, my dear friend, when I look the prices of many of this hotel, I become anorexic. Now this is what we say, primary health center was a pilgrimage of my research. I work at primary health center. I was much happy because the God comes to the primary health centers. The victim goes to the private hospitals. Now next important, what is happened in clinical medicine? You must be able to do an accurate sign on a patient and don't believe in investigations which can be manipulated. As Dr. Singare says, urine test is positive or negative. Now what we say, you can change your diagnosis by revising your sign and symptom of the patient. What is cocktail, you see? I work on chronic renal failure in the pharmacy in Vidarbha region and found that cadmium is the main culprit. Next important is the lead. Cadmium lies in a phosphate manure and lead in the pesticides. And the clay land, this cadmium stays in the kidney for 24 years. And patient develop chronic renal failure. Ultimately, farmer has to die of chronic renal failure. Fluorosis is a simple thing. By looking at in OPD at teeth of children who get just like a fluorosis diagnosis, which can confirm. We stop the giving consuming this bore well waters, and this fluorosis disappear. Homocysteine. Every cardiologist give importance to stress, strain, exercise, smoking, hypertension, diabetes. Ultimately forget the commonest cause is homocysteine in India. Because we are developing, where day on which we started consuming the Bisleri water, the homocysteine peaked in. Next importance, acute myocardial infarction in my hospital. I am very lucky I stay in Mahad in rural area. There is no traffic jam. The patient is reached with the chest pain in 15 minutes in my hospital. By next 10 minutes he is thrombolized and infarct is aborted. Now, you see, dementia. Neurologist diagnose the dementia, Alzheimer's disease, burnout case when the hippocampus is degenerated where no treatment remains. I diagnose earlier stage by noting the RBC cholinate stage in this victim, which is raised or low down. We decide the treatment and we can diagnose where their generation develop or not the Alzheimer's disease. Earlobe crease, simple. They say not need to take the history. If you get a earlobe crease, which Frank has diagnosed in 1974, is a impending heart disease. Vitamin D, everybody see, when NEGM publish important vitamin G, we poke up, vitamin D. So there 20 years before there was no deficiency vitamin. Now it has become vitamin D deficiency. We are getting cases hypervitaminosis. Next important is hypothyroidism. Why there is epidemic of hypothyroidism in India? I have studied 450 cases. I searched out the one village where they used raw salt without iodized salt, no hypothyroidism. Iodized salt form an antigen against the thyroid and kill the thyroid. So day will come, we have to stop iodine salt in India. Now the scorpion sting and snake bite, which is my patient. Next importance is this is how the kidney patients suffer many news. Young farmers, clay land, drinking water, soil blood contains cadmium, lead to copper. And lead enhances the cadmium absorption lead to chronic renal failure. These are the victims. They died at young age in one village from Vidarbha. Now this when we say that when we analyze the blood, soil and this local water, we found the cadmium level is raised. Lead is also raised. And later on we published this article in a letter form, and most important, government take cognizance of these articles and provided surface water of that areas. Because drinking water, this soil water cannot be prevented, it is rich in cadmium. Next important, simple thing, OPD examination fluorosis. The child visited, repeated to the dental surgeon of urban area, why called sophisticated doctors. He failed to diagnose a simple disease, fluorosis. This is irreversible, remember. Teeth fluorosis is irreversible, bone fluorosis is reversible. Next important, see how the teeth, chalky color teeth is the most diagnostic of fluorosis. And this bone becomes just turgid, repeated fractures and paralysis can occur. Next important, see how the bone deformity fluorosis occur, which kills the many young peoples, which kills the many young energies of this nation. It's common in Yavatmal, Gusat, Kinwant areas. And this was happened? Indian health standard is most substandard. Because when they started digging the bore well, there is no standard. Now the India, at this century come, there should be ruled no more than 200 feet. More than 200 feet, we get more fluorosis. In deserted area, when there is repeated draws, we get more and more to dig the well, and we get more and more contaminated fluoride waters. These are published later on in Jan. Next important, come to the heart attacks. The cause is not difference between Bombay and rural people now, because rural people also get all facilities. No soon the TV enter, no soon the internet enter, the rural people is equalized to the urban people now. Most important thing is what? What we say, the hypertension may cause diabetes, smoker, lipidemia, overweight. Family history is the most important Indian situation. So we should train a father or mother who develop myocardial infarct to their children that be aware of your heart disease. Get regular examination. We cannot change the gene, but we can also increase their life by getting risk factors. Homocysteine, tobacco pest, that is called mercury. Continuous they are upping tobacco pit, and India is giving the permission to sell the tobacco paste. And this food and drug should take action. They should know the Vicco, what is Vicco version like this? Tobacco paste should be banned. Another very important factor is male sex. One of the cause of ischemic heart disease, which we cannot modify. Next important, most common infarct is anterior and inferior infarct. Rest is less. Now important, what percentage? Hospital to needle time. When the patient come to my hospital, the chest pain, we stop OPD immediately, take the ECG. The distance between OPD and ICU bed is 3 feet in my hospital. In other hospital, correct the place and go to 5th floor or 2nd floor or 4th floor. That is wrong. Now, when they get a chest pain, we start taking ECG. No sooner I get a first lead, I diagnose an infarct or not. ST elevation, enteral what? ST depression, imperial infarct, and my missus started. Only we ask, can we give a telectipase, which is costly injection? When the rate says yes, we started injection. They may pay me after 1 month. We are salvaging his heart. What else? We can, Nobel preservation, we can do it. Because, and then we started this steptoe within 10 minutes. The hospital, the needle time in my hospital is 20 minutes. International time is 50 minutes. So we can make our hospital an international hospital, provided your aim is like that. Next important, what? The CST reduction, which occur if the patient come earlier thrombolysis, ST elevation is decreased rapidly. Patient gets chest pain free. My dear friend, when we tentative place and within 15 minutes patient say, doctor, I am chest pain free. Look at his face, that is God. Somebody says, we have not seen a God, we daily see the God. Next important, this victim has imperial infarct, developed 5 times cardiac arrhythmias and cardiac arrest state for 12 hours. I was sitting by the side, though a cortisone was given, patient has recurrent cardiac arrhythmias, lethal. We started resuscitation, defibrillated 5 times, and his survival last 10 years is better now. So remember, when you look at the patient, never leave the patient. Sit by the side of the patient. We sit by the side of patient. This sentence has made the editor of BMJ to publish my paper. Next important, see how rapidly ST elevation goes. Within 6 hours, there is no infarction, stigmas in the ECG at all. Next important, now important thing is many times you see, our doctors believe in the book and textbook, that is wrong. And they don't believe their own experience. Most important, many times when the patient is thrombolized, can be reinfarct. patient get a reinfarct. We don't know how much thrombosis, how much coagulation factor in this victim has occurred. So the dose we cannot decide. Many times we get reinfarction. This can happen in many times this patient. And this patient with chest pain to be treated with the low moderate IV. Now this you see, homocysteine. Whole right coronary is blocked with a high homocysteine level. Next, this is very homocysteine, very common in all diseases of cardiovascular disease. Next important, everybody knows xantholespan, gout. When patient comes with gout, you must investigate it, rule out he is having no ischemic heart disease, because ischemic heart disease is going to kill him, not the gout. Next important, see what is different between streptokinase and telectipase. See, the advanced telectipase, time between hospital needle is increased because of cost of it. Injection, the relative take more time, 5 to 10 minute time to decide. Though I say it is available without giving advance, without giving me money because I want to give it to this patient. Then they become ready. That's very important. The difference between streptokinase take more time thrombolysis. The telectipase, the thrombolysis within a couple of minutes. And most important thing, you got to. Most important thing you look at, if you give a streptokinase, it will kill the myocardium, though it is thrombolysis, QVs appear, RVF disappear in impaired leads. But you give a Elaxine now telectipase in early leads, amplitude of RVF is maintained, transmural infarction has not occurred. That is advantage we are giving a healthy heart to the victim. Next important, negligence in village. Many times the relative feels doctors are giving a wrong infarct because they want to earn. This patient has imperial infarct, but his son takes him to the Bombay. He says, I don't believe in Dr. Baba's imperial infarct. So many times, what we get, non-thrombolysis. Many patients delay non-thrombolysis and remain persistent. ST elevation is persistent in the poor victims of government hospital, which have gone to see the patient, and that's persistent ST for 15 days. Ultimately, he will develop aneurysm and refractory heart failure. So these are the complicated figures international journals giving, which is deep. Now, clinical, simple. If the patient has a chest pain like this, he make a sign like this, it is angina. If the patient severe chest pain has given some hot pressure, it is unstable angina. He apply continuous something irritable to chest, is a myocardial infarct. So what you say, ear crease, you see, ear crease is a very diagnostic earliest itching, embedding heart disease, youngsters in India. Now this again ear crease with a 3-vessel disease. Most important things, how? Vertex baldness, which is one of the risk factors to develop in any situation, is ischemic heart disease. Now, very important, this patient was brought last week. That patient was sleeping, he woke up, he round up his bed and got sudden unconscious and convulsive moment. And he was brought to me with imperial infarct. So this indicator is lucky enough. He had a cardiac arrest soon after, which is the really killer in for a couple of hours. And that's why he got a tongue bite, not a epilepsy, but a tongue bite, which is called cardiac arrest. Now this is next important, why? You see, the new doctor should be trained. ECG is the best investigation available today, from today and after next 50 years also, to diagnose how the acute TIV. Look at the second ECG, acute infarction. T with both limbs of T is equal size, that is a diagnosis of hyperacute infarct. Next important, these are the strangulator, coronary strangulator, male sex, double chin, baldness, ear crease, acanthosis nigricans, diabetes, obesity, less level diabetes, hypertension, serum uric acid, fasting C-peptide, vitamin D, and sedentary life. That should come first. Now let us see, if many risk factors we don't know, why ischemic heart disease occur in thin patients? Ask these old people why they survive 104 years. They will give you the solution. One, they never like sweet and rice. Every white thing is worst. Regular exercise, family history of long life, no food without hungry, that's a very important. Food is available because you can one time lunch hour, 1 hour. Nobody get hungry at 1 hour. How we start eating? Because next season start. So never full tummy. And season fruit and avoid dinner. So next important, now this is a misery. The father brings a body of a son of acute myocardial infarct. This is a misery of this century. Both suffers of acute myocardial infarct. Next important, what? This I call a triple of the health. One, regular exercise is very important. You do spare your time for regular exercise. And regular exercise is your bank book, not the money which can be shared by many family peoples. Remember this. Next important, healthy food and stress-free life. See the dog. You must have a stress-free life. Next important thing is now let us see a scorpion. How many minutes you got time? Time कितना है? Time कितना है? Okay. Now let us come scorpions thing. See, massive pulmonary edema. By this red color bird is responsible scorpion sting. These are two scorpions which causes the severe ECG changes and refractory heart failure. See, what are the signs? Excessive sweating. Ropey salivation, simple anatomy. You say ropey salivation indicates this is a beta receptor or alpha receptor stimulation by the venom. Just like the ropey salivation. You massive pulmonary edema and cold extremities. These are the diagnostic sign of a myocardial damage or hypercotamic state or autonomic storm due to scorpion sting. Next important, see, oculogyric crisis. I received a phone call from the D.Y. Patil Hospital early in the morning. The patient of snake bite has come and there is local pain. We are given 10 ampulle of ASV and after 1 hour developed massive pulmonary edema. I said, tell me the details. He said, there is a ptosis, it was not ptosis, but oculogyric crisis. It was a scorpion sting, then recover with a dobutamine antivenom. Dilatation of pupils, excessive sweating. This is very important. Sweating persists for 7 to 10 hours. Even we take the BP cup, become weight. The patient changes the cloth few number of times, so this is very important. Next important, this sinus, vomiting, sweating, priapism, cold extremis, early diagnostic sign which I published from Primary Health Center 1982 in the Lancet. So Primary Health Center is a pilgrim is my research. Next important, pulmonary edema. You get bilateral, unilateral, diffuse pulmonary, just like ARDS phenomenon. Next important, T-wave. Look at this T-wave, the arrhythmologists will just afraid. They have never seen like this T-wave, so broad T-waves, because of sodium channel dysfunction. Ventricular arrhythmias and cardiac arrest which are faced due to scorpion sting. Next important, if you stick one patient of scorpion sting autonomic storm, we get all arrhythmias, ventricular tachycardia, ventricular fibrillation, atrial fibrillation, massive cardiac, this is AV block which can occur, fascicular tachycardia, all cardiology or arrhythmology can be learned in one ECG of scorpion sting. Next important, see, very important, earliest thing around 1978, when I was facing the problem, nobody was advising. Everybody was saying, you are idiot, why you are taking this scorpion sting when antivenom is not available? 1950, leprosy has no drug. Still Mahatma Gandhi says, give them, encourage them, solve and take care of wound. Then DDSS came. Similarly, I use a medical phlebotomy, rotating tourniquet, which alleviate the preload, and many patients survived. Next important, severe priapism is a diagnostic sign in children. Don't get many times venomous sting, don't get a local pain because of vasoconstriction. They don't know really what is why. But because priapism, vomiting, sweating, cold extremity confirm the diagnosis of scorpion sting. Next important thing is 40% mortality reported by Mundley 1960. Same mortality I reported in 1978 with a massive refractory heart failures. My dear friends, where I have decided to apply the sodium nitroprusside. I applied sodium nitroprusside to the pulmonary edema patient of first child, survived of massive refractory pulmonary edema. I become mad and start dancing. This is the first case survived, but this is not a treatment. Ultimately, I studied in detail. Most important, my father died on the same day. I did not attend the funeral of my father because this is the child who was donated by his father my research. That was my first ethical duty, to treat and to save the child. And later on, I read in the New Anagium, prazosin is urosonide, and the race has come, urosonide, prazosin started using, and mortality dropped down to 4% around the world. Brazil, Trinidad, Mexico, Saudi Arabia. Next important, this I published in Anagium, what is the pathophysiology of scorpion sting last year. So pre-prazosin mortality was 40%, post-prazosin mortality dropped to less than 4%. Next important, antivenom become available. Scorpion antivenom, which will neutralize the venom, prazosin will act after action of the venom. Because this venom is sodium channel activator. It releases the endogenous catecholamine. We get hypertension, tachycardia, pulmonedema. And if you cutted the by action of this venom, the recovery will be fast. And then we say we did a randomized trial that ASV plus prazosin versus prazosin alone. So the ASV prazosin recovery time is shortened within 8 hours. That is confirmed. It is published in the British Medical Journal. Now the research will never stop. Now many of my patients develop Brugada syndrome. And the Brugada syndrome disappear. So ultimately we publish an article in the Lancet that tells a sodium channel blocker activator fraction from the venom should be withdrawn, and that can be used to treat the Brugada syndrome in the world, which is published in the Lancet. So my dear friend, ultimately diagnosis, management, everything is published in international journal. And all three, Lancet, these are the leaders in medical profession. Lancet, I entered in 28 times in the Lancet. BMJ with a cover illustration of scorpion sting. If some leader, some cricketer or some heroine become cover illustration, everybody applaud, yes. Nobody has sent me a congratulation on this, though this is India, this is a proud of India. This is a proud of India. We get cover illustration in BMJ into century-old journal on NEGM. You see, when I do MD, I was worried to see a person, to see a scientist who has entered in the NEGM. I could not find. So ultimately, I entered in the NEGM. Myself I discovered. So ultimately, my dear friend. Now, my dear friend, this. You see why? These are all patients recovered from pulmonedema. Gave them chance to see the beauty of the world. That was my aim. Okay, and this I will complete. So this is acknowledgement of my son who is doing a DM cardiology in Nair Hospital. What he said? This is the greatest satisfaction that who with more one glacius feather in his cap achieved unlock the NEGM. Thank you, sir.